Colorado's consumer laws are considered weak compared to other states. It's something Denver7 Investigates has reported on extensively.
But tonight, lawmakers tell Denver7 consumer investigator Jaclyn Allen they have a solution.
Problems with used cars.
The car never started again.
Are one of the top complaints.
They said, well, we'll fix that and we'll go over that.
To Denver7 Investigates.
They threatened to ruin my credit if I don't keep the car.
Our reporting last year exposed an issue Colorado State Representative Mike Weissman has made a top priority.
Unfortunately, we have one of the weakest laws in the country.
He co-sponsored a consumer bill last year, in part addressing lending laws and how consumers could be charged. But a key element wound up on the cutting room floor. He aims to fix that this year.
The problem we're trying to fix is the law right now essentially says you have to prove significant public harm or significant public impact before you can try to get your own problem addressed in court.
Weissman recently introduced House Bill 1014 to strengthen the Consumer Protection Act. It eliminates the requirement to prove a business that used unfair practices had significant impact to the community. Right now, consumers have to show that most or all of the business's other customers were affected in the same way. Weissman says Colorado is one of only 5 states in the country with that provision.
For me personally, we've had to basically assume we're going to lose most Consumer Protection Act violation cases.
Matt Osborne is a consumer protection attorney who says he's had to take cases out of state where laws are more friendly for consumers.
Have you seen cases where this has had an impact?
Yes, we've had multiple cases where we have proven that the dealership or the big business defrauded the consumer. And even though we proved fraud, they were not able to get their consumer protection rights vindicated because we couldn't show that they had done it to other people.
The bill could affect your largest purchases, from cars to homes. One group opposed is the Colorado Association of Home Builders, which argues the change would mean more construction defect lawsuits and discourage companies from building homes. In a statement saying in part, the bill would result in far fewer housing options when our state needs much more housing, adding, we should be enriching Coloradans through home ownership, not attorneys. But consumer protection advocates say other states have not seen that.
The other side says this is bad for business and good for trial attorneys. What's your response to that?
It's bad for businesses that cheat people. I agree with that. It's good for businesses that follow the law.
We just are in a small minority of states here in Colorado with this defect in our law that we're seeking to fix.
This bill is slated for reading in committee next month, and Weissman says he's optimistic this more focused version will move forward. We'll keep an eye on it. For Denver7 Investigates, I'm Jaclyn Allen.
Jaclyn, thank you. Denver7 Investigates digs deeper into the big issues impacting Coloradans. If there's something you want our team to look into, please call the number on your screen or email us, contact7@denver7.com.